Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about OmniMart. It's the best e-commerce script that you can use. Why? Because this script is using a powerful landing pages, a powerful payment gateways. It gives all-in-one e-commerce for physical products, sales, digital products, affiliate products. Okay guys, so this is the best script that I ever seen in my life. It's a great script. Okay. Let me go to extended license. The problem here is that for this $600 for extended license, because extended license is the best option. Okay, so now I have a solution for this. What is this solution? The solution is that you will get the same script, the same option for the latest version with extended license. Instead of paying this $600, you will pay just this $13. And that's it. You just click on buy now. You just let me just close this one because I already bought this one. Let me click on proceed to checkout. You can pay using checkout with PayPal. You can pay with Stripe, with debit or credit card. Okay, pass your email here as an example. Okay, pass your password and choose which one you'd like to pay with. Pay and you will get this script. It's a downloaded script. Okay guys, let me show you when I try to install it from AutoScript Hub. Here is the file that I got from there. This is the zip file that you will get. Okay guys, so try to pay and you will get this powerful script. It's an extended license guys. Okay, so you just pay this $14 and you will get this script. By the way, I will put the link below of this script into the description of this video. Okay guys, let me close this one now. As I said, this is the powerful a script that you can use to build your brand for digital and physical and for affiliate products. Okay guys, now let me show you guys in this video how to install it step by step. Now let me close this one. Let me go to Hostinger. By the way, let me choose this domain name that I will show you. So this is the domain name that we're gonna try to install this script. Okay, let me go to Hostinger. The first thing that I should do is click on this file manager. Okay, and come to it. So we're gonna try to upload go to a public HTML, and here is it. I already uploaded here. Okay, after installing the script from after uploading the script from AutoScript Hub, you will get the zip file and just try to upload it here, please. Okay, if you don't know how, just click on this icon, click file, and you will get this one and upload it here. Okay guys, now click on this, click on extract, right dot, and click on extract. Now, so after just extracting, go to this folder, select everything and click on move, click on this and click move. Okay, go to OmniMart folder and just delete it, please. Okay, now let me refresh this. Great, you will get this. So just try again to go to Hostinger, go to databases, click on that, and you will have this. Please write here the database name that you would like to be. Let me say OmniMart just as an example. I'm gonna pass the same thing here, and the password, this is my password. Okay, click on that, create, just to be a database is gonna be created. Great, now what we're gonna do is that copy, by the way, this name. Okay, because we're gonna use it after. Just click on check requirements to see the requirements. Okay, just wait a little bit of time. Great, we have every single requirement is already done. Okay guys, so if you have any problem, just contact me. I'm gonna let my WhatsApp down below of this video. If you have any problem, you can just contact me so I can resolve your problem. Okay, click on check permissions. So here some problems, so we're gonna try to resolve those problems. The first thing is that go to your public HTML, go to core, and you will find this storage. Go to it, you will find framework and logs and app. Give the permission of 7075 to this. Click this one, click right, give it a permission of 7075. Click to logs, click on permissions, give it 7075 for permission. Okay, so it's going to be updated. Great. Now go again to Bootstrap. Let me go to back. Let me go to Bootstrap, and they said for cache. So let me give it permission for 7075. Asset sitemap. Go back again. Just assets sitemaps. Let me give go back and give it a permission. Okay, 7075. Great. Now assets files. Let me go to assets files. Here's files. Give it a permission. Okay, and go again to resources lang and go back. Now go to core and resources, give it a link, give it permissions of 7075. Let me refresh now, and everything is gonna be like green. Let me verify the license. The email address, put any email address you'd like. Invite username, just put Bini as my own, and just put those zeros. There's no problem, just pass whatever you want, because this is an extended license, so we try to activate it. Okay, so it's this script, it's already activated. Okay, don't worry about that. Now click on verify, and your license is verified successfully. Now just write your name that you want for your app. For app URL, copy your domain name, okay, and paste it in here. Delete this slash and go to database, or let it as it is, and here for database go back and let me copy this, go and paste it in here, paste the same thing for username here, and database password, put the database password used, and click on view and install, and the database is going to be installed successfully, as you can see guys, and click on excite. Guys, as you can see now, this is OmniMart. As you can see, it's installed perfectly, so it has the physical products and the digital products. As you can see guys, it's a powerful script that you can use, and it's using a blogs as well. Let me try to go to admin panel. Okay, let me go to admin. Let me sign in. Okay, admin. I forgot about the password. Let me go to Code Canyon to remember just OmniMart. Okay, here is it. I forgot about the email and the password of the admin. Let me go to see it. Okay, where is it? Here is it. Admin panel. Here is it. Let me paste it in here, and let me paste the password here. Let me paste it here. Click sign in. And great, here it is guys. Now the script is installed. Manage categories, manage products, manage orders, transactions. You can manage e-commerce for set coupons, shipping, set changes, whatever. Let me click on payment. You can here's a lot of payment methods: cash on delivery, Stripe, PayPal, Molly, Paytime, whatever. There's a lot of payment methods you can use. Manage sites if you want to manage your website. If EQs, blogs, manage pages. This is the latest version, by the way. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, if you want to click view website, you're gonna view your website, as you can see guys. Okay, guys, if you have any problem, anything you want to ask me about, I'm gonna leave my WhatsApp down below this video. Ask me about anything, and I will try to help you out. And I will put the link to AutoScript Hub, link you can buy it from there. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. By the way, I will put the link to Hostinger if you don't have already Hostinger account, so you can get 25% discount. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you guys a good day.